Okay, for my ladybugs and my butterflies, I'm going to show you the easiest way to fold sheets for your style of organizing. Because you do not like the fuss of making everything super particular, this is how you might fold sheets, right? So here is your fitted, okay? And maybe it might be really hard for me to just do this super messy, but you might just take your sheet. I don't even know how you do it, but we're gonna pretend that you just fold it in half like this, okay? And then you fold it in half again. I'm gonna make sure you can see this. I love that this is really a struggle for me. So I might need somebody that's, you know, a butterfly that really likes to do this. Okay, so let's just say there's my fitted sheet, okay? It's just folded in half and it's there, right? Okay, and then here's my flat. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it in half. The flat is easy, isn't it? Just fold it in half. I'll just say it's easier than the fitted, okay? So let's just say we fold it in half, we fold it in half, we tuck it across, we lay it down, and we fold, and then we got, that might be nicer than how it's gonna look for you, okay? But it's kind of a hot mess, right? So then all you gotta do to make it look super tidy is you take your pillowcase. This isn't the right one. Let's take this one. And all you gotta do is you fold it in half, all right? And then you take the top of it and you fold it in half like this. And now it looks tidier, doesn't it? You're not seeing this hot mess of a towel going on here, okay? So if you live with somebody that is a bee or a cricket like myself, I tend to be a cricket / ladybug hybrid. This right here would just drive me crazy to open up my shelf and see that. But if you just wrap it like this and maybe tuck these corners in a little bit, oh my gosh, that is all the difference for my eye, and to go, okay, I do not have to refold that. So that's the difference between the other video that I did, cricket, bees, super tedious, super tight, you know, tidy, to my ladybugs and my butterflies that like it to be fast and easy. Just wrap it with the pillowcase and there you go. It looks nice, all right? Thanks for watching. Let me know if that was helpful. Let me know if you have dual bugs in the house and this has helped you feel like you don't have more to do. If you are one of those people that have and enjoy to see things looking more like your bee and your cricket, where it's like nothing showing, tags are tucked, even the sides look tedious and tidy, but you want some help and they're not going to do it this way, we'll do it this way. This is your given. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon and keep watching.